Introducing SuperBase V from Zendure, a modular plug-and-play energy storage system for your home, RV, EV, and beyond. With customizable solutions and advanced features to handle just about any situation. SuperBase V is the first to adopt semi-solid-state batteries, which are safer and store more energy than traditional NMC or LFP batteries. With cutting-edge AC and DC conversion technology, SuperBase V manages power on an entirely new level, giving you more ports, more power, and more possibilities. SuperBase V is scalable up to 64 kilowatt hours, with solutions geared toward emergency prep, RV power, or energy independence. More people than ever are taking advantage of solar power and time of use rates to reduce their energy costs. SuperBase V's customizable programming can help you game the grid and save money. And with up to 7,600 watt AC output, SuperBase V is an energy storage system for your whole house, including your kitchen and your garage. SuperBase V is the first system that can power your 120 and 240 volt appliances at the same time from just one unit. And seamless UPS capability means when the power goes out, you won't miss a beat. It's also the the first in the industry to work with your Amazon Alexa or Google Home system for intuitive and convenient voice control. You can patch SuperBase V into your home circuits using our home panel, which has 2 Level 2 EV charging ports. Taking SuperBase V off-site is as simple as unplug and play, while the motorized wheels help lighten the load. With the industry's fastest solar input, you can recharge SuperBase V in about 3 hours. And SuperBase V working together with a satellite battery can collect up to 6.6 kilowatt hours in 1 hour thanks to dual charge technology. You'll find convenient ports for your RV or van on the main unit and on the stackable space-saving satellite batteries for offshore power on demand. On long trips, extend your EV's range with SuperBase V's roadside Level 2 EV charging and configurations with enough capacity to add 50 miles or more between you and the next pit stop. Plus, it's got plenty of hookups for your outdoor or remote projects. Off-grid, at home, or in parts unknown, SuperBase V has your back, empowering your work, your play, and your everyday. Your tailor-made energy storage solution is waiting for you on Kickstarter with limited super early bird pricing. Start your journey toward true energy independence with SuperBase V, the plug-and-play home energy system from Zendure.